Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to connect Google Drive to Base44. First, open Base44 in your browser. At the top right corner, click on My Workspace. This will take you to your workspace settings. From there, select Settings and then click on Account Settings. In this section you will see an option for backend functions. Click Enable to turn it on. Keep in mind that you will need a paid plan to enable backend functions. Once backend functions are enabled, return to the home page of Base44. On the home screen, click on Integrations. This section shows all the services that you can connect to your app. Scroll through the list or use the search function to find Google Drive. When you see it, click on Google Drive to start the connection process. After clicking Google Drive, a login prompt will appear. This is a Google sign-in window. Enter the credentials for the Google account you want to use. You may need to approve several permissions or scopes. Once you have signed in and approved the permissions, Base44 will show that Google Drive is connected. Thanks for watching.